guess where we're going today? That's right. At Austin's Promax. Look inside. Did you see that there? Well, this is our favorite shop. And you know why? Because they work on our fleet and they do a fantastic job. That's right, they do good work. And if that wasn't enough, look at this. They have flow masters. They have all kinds of muffler parts. As a matter of fact, look at some of these designer muffler tips, okay? Look at there. If you want to be a star, then there you go. Now look at that. If you're single or just want to be in love, what a better way to advertise that you're single. That's a joke now, okay? I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. But on a serious note, you know, they say if you want to free up the exhaust and want more power, that's what you got to do is free up the exhaust. And they have all this good mandrel bending and welding and mufflers and catalytic converters. This is the place to come to get all of your exhaust and brake needs taken care of. All right? As a matter of fact, look at here. Now this is something that's dear to my heart, is our troops, our men and women in uniform, and they will take good care of you. In fact, they have credit you can apply and get your work done today, even though you're waiting on your tax return. They have a comfortable waiting area, and look at this designer furniture. This looks like a jacquard weave if I ever seen one. Beautiful. Now my recommendation is you come in here and you see Melinda, the beautiful Melinda. She would take good care of you. And look at this, an autographed poster. Now that says a lot. These people use Austin's Promax, and so should you. Now I had to throw this in here, I couldn't resist. Look at that. You see that protector right there? They care about your safety. They are compliant with all of the mandates because your safety is #1 concern, and that's just admirable. And here's one of the best reasons to come to Austin's Promax on Canyon Road is this guy here. His name is Bobby.
All right, guys, we service lots of stuff down here. We do anything from exhaust to suspension to brakes, cooling. We specialize in Flowmaster and MagnaFlow mufflers. If you need a better exhaust, get some more horsepower, get some more noise, we can do it. We have a very wide variety of tips to use. Do all your 60, 90, 120K services, coolant flushes, tranny services, power steering flush, brake flush. If it can be flushed, we can do it. And with our oil changes, we do a full undercar inspection and check all fluids and make sure nothing's going on. Check your belts and hoses and all that good stuff also. We also service all kinds of fleet services and stuff, and we especially do business with Chubby carpet cleaners, and they do a really good job.
So there you have it, Austin's Promax. Come on down and see them. They'll take good care of you. Melinda takes the guesswork out of trying to find a good shop that you can trust. Be sure to give Melinda a call at 253-539-9393. And while you're at it, tell Melinda Chubby sent you. All right, have a good day on me, no charge.